Today we are going to discuss something related to DNA. We get information about heredity by DNA. Cellular DNA is the information source for making proteins in the cell. A section of DNA that provides information for one protein is called the gene for that protein. Single long thread of DNA, but as separate independent pieces, each called a chromosome. So, in our body during reproduction, DNA, genes, chromosomes, all of them play a very, very important role. Now, let us talk about sex determination. What you can see in this picture, children? There is something called as X, something called as Y. Then there are sperm shown, there is egg we can see. Basically, a sex determination system is a biological system that determines the development of sexual characteristics in an organism. Most organisms that create their offsprings using sexual reproduction have two sexes. In some species, they are hermaphrodites. That means both the sexes present in single organism. So over here, it is always heard that a woman is responsible for determining the sex of the child. We being educated people, we should know that there is nothing like who is responsible for the process. It is all dependent on the chromosome. So in female, there is X and X chromosome. You can see it on the screen. And in father, it is X and Y chromosome. So when X chromosome fuses with X, it is a baby girl. And when X chromosome fuses with Y chromosome, it's a baby boy. So, in human, chromosome have a maternal and paternal copy. Maternal and paternal copy itself tells us that we get few chromosomes from parents, that is from mother as well as from father. Such pair we have 22 called autosome, but one pair is called the sex chromosome. So there are 22 pairs of autosomes and one pair of sex chromosome. Women have perfect pair of sex chromosome, pair of that is X and X, that is perfect pair. Men have mismatch pair in which one is normal sized X and other short one is Y. So here you can see that perfect match is seen in women, whereas in men there is mismatch. X is normal sized and Y is short. A child who inherits an X chromosome from father will be a girl. One who inherits Y chromosome from father will be a boy. So in this way you can see that egg and sperm come together and form offsprings. X and X is female and X and Y is male.